My name is John Masters. We work with developers and help them with their debt and equity financing. And then to complete the circle, we also deal with family offices, endowments, and foundations that are looking for deal flow.
I love that. Now tell me this. I've seen you at a couple of our events. Do you have an idea of like which events you mostly come to? How many times you've been coming? For how long?
We come to pretty much every event except if we have another competing event somewhere else. And so we probably have done in a year probably about 10. Yes, and so we like them very much, very much. I think it's a great opportunity, great way to network, and the more you come, the more people you know, and over time, you get to know the same faces. That's where the real business and networking comes down to.
Yeah, okay. And once again, most people come, maybe they'll come with like a business partner, or maybe they don't know, or they come solo. Like you come as an actual family, you know, as an actual like husband-wife team. Like how
yes.
does that work? Does it help coming with someone else so you guys can like tag team? Or
I think it works well tag teaming with my wife. We're both very outgoing, so it works really well. We work a room very well together, and then we also split up and work things together too. So it works great. We love it here. You get to know people. It's become like a family.
I love that. And
yeah.
For someone who hasn't actually heard about like the Family Office Club or anything like that, they're going to come to, let's say, an event like the Super Summit. This is their first time ever coming. Like, how would you explain what it is the event actually is, or what happens during an event?
I think the key thing is it gets you out in front of people. And whether they're, you know, you have family office members, you have other people looking for capital, you have some people just. Actually, you got the capital providers and people looking for capital. We go to the events, you just meet a lot of people, and we've helped a lot of people out that way and work with a lot of the developers. So it's worked out real well. And we also, the other neat thing is we also work with other competitors, because sometimes we can't get the deal done by ourselves, or someone needs a little help in one area or something else. So I've actually coordinated with some of the other people and just picked up 3 projects today with someone we've met at, like 4 other ones. He said, hey John, I need some help. I know you're doing this. Let's talk.
I love that. So yeah, do you want to talk about any of those like projects or collaborations or deals that you've been able to do, or what's been helpful that way?
Yeah, the multifamily seems to be very popular. We see a lot of ground-up development, and a lot of other people see value added only. So it varies there, in there. And we also then help network other people. I introduced 3 other people in the last half hour that were looking. One was 2 people who were doing apps. One was on sports, the other was on travel. So I introduced them some other people, and then there's 2 gentlemen I met, both working on cancer, and they're looking to raise money. So I was talking to a venture cap guy. I said, do you do anything with the medical and cancer? He goes, yeah. I said, walked over and introduced him to Bob. Yes, so it's all about networking, helping out, paying it forward.